Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this frozen salmon and frozen broccoli in the air fryer. Hello, let's get started with this super simple dinner recipe. So this would be the perfect amount of food for two people for like a dinner. And it's just so simple. I mean, of course you could add additional sides, but we've got two frozen, these are definitely frozen, salmon planks. And then we've got some frozen broccoli florets. And I'm just gonna, I just threw them on a parchment paper lined sheet pan. I'm going to season them and then we're gonna cook them in the air fryer, which I've got right here behind me. And this is an Cuisinart air fryer oven. I really like this one because I like this bigger tray that you can put this amount of food on. First thing we need to do is we want our seasoning to stick, and it's not going to stick, it's just going to bounce right off if we try and season frozen foods. So we need to spray with some oil spray. I've got some avocado oil spray. This is one that you put avocado oil in, and I'm going to use a brush just to spread it out a little more because it's not an aerosol. And then our seasoning will stick. I'm also going to spray the broccoli. And then I'm going to toss it with the tongs just to make sure that it's coated. And these are boneless salmon fillets. Of course, they're fillets, but they have skin on them. But that's okay. It's, you know, it's pretty hard to find salmon without the skin. So it comes off, once it's cooked, it comes off really easily. So now I'm going to season with garlic salt, and I like to use garlic salt, but you could use garlic powder and salt. And then I'm going to season my broccoli, and then I've got some pepper. I'm going to season with a little bit of pepper. And you could really season these however you want. I'm just keeping it pretty basic. Okay, these are going to air fry at 390 degrees, or you could do 400, for 10 to 15 minutes, just depending on how you like your broccoli, for one. Some people like their broccoli to be more cooked than others, and how you like your salmon. Some people like their salmon to be more cooked than others. Technically, safe temperature for salmon is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and I don't know about you, but I like my broccoli to be, you know, like almost burnt. I like to be really, really done. So we're gonna put these in the air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes. You just wanna keep an eye on them. Good thing that this air fryer has a glass door, and we'll pull them out when they're ready. Okay, our salmon and our broccoli are done. The broccoli got brown, like crispy, but that's how I personally like it. If you don't like your broccoli like this, you're probably going to want to cook them separately. So anyway, the salmon is perfect. It is perfectly flaky. I mean, look at how amazing and, as Gordon Ramsay would say, glistening it is on the inside. Perfectly flaky salmon. Oh man, I love salmon. It's perfect. Okay guys, be sure you check out both of these recipes. They're both on my blog separately. The links are in the description. But yes, check these out and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.